Yo, 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 what's good, everybody? It's Bakari So Real back again with So Real Trading. Make sure you click the link to join our So Real Trading group. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, man, it's the first week of June, new week, new month. And we're gonna go straight into it with trading gold. Um, and last week on Friday, we talked about how gold was trading above uh, 4,500, and gold was currently trading at gold went up to about 45 or 46. Gold went almost like tapped 4,600 and then wicked back down. And for a second, we were above our entry level, but now we are back below our entry level and we are back in the red zone. Um, and that's a bit concerning because I know a lot of people was getting bullish, and this is why I tell you guys to sit on your hands and wait for confirmation. Um, and now look where we're at. We're back in the red zone. We're back in the mindset of uncertainty, where it's uncertain whether or not gold is going to continue down or gold is going to continue up. Um, we have two zones right here on these wicks right here. Let me see. This zone right here and this zone down here. Boom. Change the colors on these. Scroll green and red. So boom. So this zone of around 4,600, if we have a body candlestick close above 4,600, we could be bullish. And then this zone right here is about 43.60. If we have a body candlestick close below 43.60, we could be bearish. And then also this horizontal line right here at 42.80. If we have a body candlestick close below 42.80, that's also confirmation for bearish movement as well, for continuing down. And for this week, guys, we're gonna start doing placing trades in the market. And we're gonna start placing trades during the open and close of New York and the open and close of London and New York session. So the open and close of London and New York session is when I'll start calling trades. Usually it just be a quick scalp trade. We'll catch anywhere between 30 to 100 pips and get out. Um, for the swing trades will still remain closed until we see otherwise, you know. Um, But yeah, man, this is what we're looking at. We've been trading in this zone since we've been trading this zone since May 18th. Roughly 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, been trading in this zone. Um, we was even trading in the zone in March, and then from March we came all the way up to 4,800. But yeah, man, like I said, the longer we wait, the longer gold waits to rise, the less likely it will go up, and the more likely it will go down. Because you guys do know that we have to catch this bottom for the reset. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, it's a little slow video today. Today's Monday. I was traveling a lot over the weekend, so a little slow video today. But we're slowly working back in the gist and getting back into it. But yeah, man, that's where we're at. Um, I know things are gonna get exciting pretty soon, and I'm just gonna be continuously posting videos as things get more exciting. Um, you know, let me think. I'm trying to think of what else. Like I said, man, I'm not calling to sell or buy until I see us cross these two zones. Unless we have a body candlestick close above 4,600 or a body candlestick close below 4,300. Um, I'm just gonna be sitting on my hands, seeing what happens. Let's go to the weekly chart, the weekly time frame. Boom. So on the weekly time frame, we saw this doji candlestick right here, sort of like this green one, and we thought this was going to be a bearish movement, but so far for the week, I mean, we thought it was going to be a bullish movement, but so far for the week, it's been coming down. So, excuse me. So, be careful for those of you guys trying to catch buys. If you're catching buys, use a tight stop loss, um, because this can invalidate and liquidate the buyers. But seeing this candlestick, we could have sellers coming in, and then we could easily shoot up. So the buy trade isn't invalidated yet. I'm just not calling it. And like I said, guys, it's not financial advice. Everything I say is for educational purposes only. Um, let's go to the monthly time frame because the new month has just started, and this is the monthly time frame. So we had three monthly candlesticks that were bearish. We had an inside bar candlestick before that, back in February. Um, so yeah, this is definitely showing signs of exhaustion for gold. But I also tell you guys, if you guys don't have over $4,000 in your trading account, you really shouldn't be trading gold in the first place, unless you're doing like some type of challenge or something. But if you really want to trade gold comfortably, and here's the thing, a lot of reasons why people aren't profitable. And shout out to you guys who are still watching this video right now, because I know I kind of started it kind of slow. But listen up. For those of you guys who wondering, like, how can I get profitable? Like, why am I not getting profitable? Let me ask you this, or ask yourself this question. How much do you have in your trading account? And are you trading gold with it? Or are you are like if you have actually ask yourself, do you have less than $4,000? And are you trying to trade gold with less than $4,000? Because gold right now is at the price of $4,000. So it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for you to be profitable on a daily basis. I've blown many accounts because I was trading gold or trading US 30 and I didn't have $4,000 in my account or $30,000 in my account, or I was trying to trade Bitcoin with $1,000 or $2,000 in my account. But Bitcoin is at $70,000. You know what I mean? So for someone who has $100,000 in their account, it should be super easy to be profitable trading Bitcoin. It should be extremely easy to be profitable trading gold. You know what I mean? So for those of you who trying to quit your job or trying to make trading your full-time thing, you have to have capital. That's just the way it works. That's just the way it works. You have to have capital. You could be a perfect trader, but you can't be perfect for long. You know what I mean? So the moment you turn 200 into $5,000, that doesn't mean take out $3,000 and just leave $1,000 or $2,000 in there and try to keep trading gold or try to keep trading Bitcoin, because then you're gonna blow that account again. You know what I mean? And then you're gonna be starting from zero again. So for those of you who have finally made it, and let's say you have a couple, I've been in positions, I've been in situations where I've turned like $300 into like $3,000. You know what I mean? Or $4,000, and then instead of leaving that money in the account and increasing the capital so that way I can continuously to be profitable even through hard times, still be profitable. I didn't. I did the opposite. I took money out, spent some money, you know what I mean, moving money around, and then I'm trading with a smaller account all over again, thinking I could do it again the next month, and then the next month turns out to be a hard month for trading, and next you know I'm not profitable no more. I'm having losing streaks. I'm having losing weeks, or losing months, So for those of you who want to be profitable on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, you have to keep that capital in your account, because that capital is what's going to help you with your leverage. That capital is going to help you with your risk reward. If you got $10,000, there's really no risk when it comes to trading gold. If you have $10,000, you have double the price of gold. You have twice the price of gold in your account. There's really no risk. You could just put, now the only risk is how much are you trading? You know what I mean? If you have $10,000 in your account, you shouldn't be uh over leveraging your account to where you don't have much margin available. If you have $10,000 in your account, you should at least have $5,000 margin available. You know what I mean? In your account. So whatever you're leveraging, don't leverage more than 50%. Don't leverage more than 50%. You know what I'm saying? So if you have twice the amount of gold in your account, don't leverage more than 50% of it and you'll be fine. You know what I'm saying? You should continuously to be profitable. And when you want to continuously being profitable doesn't mean hitting big ass trades every single day or every single week. It doesn't mean every week is going to be a 5 figure, 6 figure week, or every month is going to be a 5 figure, 6 figure month. But the goal is just to be profitable. Some weeks you might just make a few $100s, but at least you are profitable that week. You know what I mean? Some weeks you might just make a few thousand, but you used to making 5 figures, but at least you're profitable that week. You know what I mean? At least the stress and the struggle and the worries are not in your head. You know what I mean? So that's the goal we want to get to. That's the goal we want to get to with Soul Real Trading. If you want to get there with me, continue to watch these videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Um, and yeah, man, that's today is day 31. I think today is day 32. Yeah, today is day 32 of trading gold. So yeah, man, that's it for this video. And see you guys on the next one. Peace.